Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you guys are joining me today. I'm going to show you how I start my transplants, and it's really simple. That's what I want you guys to get from this video, that it's super simple to start them. You just need the right tools and stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So I have here my tray. I don't know how many these trays hold. I have different kinds of them with different size squares, so that's what I'm gonna use to do my transplants. It's what I usually use, or sometimes I'll use 6-packs depending on whether or not I have trays available. So if I don't have these available, then I'll start my seeds in 6-packs. So I have that, and then the next thing that I do, like I said, guys, it's really simple. I start filling my tray with soil. And this is a starting mix that I made myself. I'm using the bag here from a potting mix that I purchased, and so I just cut the bag so that I can keep putting my soil in there. But the starting mix that I am putting in the tray is made out of 1/3 compost, and then 1/3 peat moss, and then 1/3 perlite. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm using. And so I'll fill the tray completely with soil. Okay, so perfect. I filled up the entire tray with soil. There's a few parts where it doesn't go evenly in, so I'll just go over it. And I'm not pressing, I'm just filling it in. So I'll sprinkle it on, and then I go in like this and distribute it where I see that I need more of the starting mix. Okay, perfect. So we're done with that. And now I am going to take my seed box. And so today I want to plant more spinach, so I'm gonna find my spinach. Okay, here it is. Perfect. So I have my spinach seed here, and yeah, this is a variety that is called Avon, however you pronounce it. Perfect. And I go ahead and seed my spinach in. It's I would say medium-sized seed compared to other seeds, and I know you guys cannot see it. I'll bring you guys closer so that you see how I go ahead and put a seed in each of the cells here in the tray. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Okay guys, so I brought you in closer so that you guys can see the action, and I'm going to show you. So these are the seeds, and then I'll go ahead and start seeding each of the cells with one seed. If 2 seeds go in, that's fine, but I really try to just do one, and I just go in and place it really fast because I want to seed as much as I can with the time that I have right now. And so that's why I'm not a stickler if 2 seeds go into a single cell. That's fine. And this is what I'll do until I finish the entire tray. So you'll see me do that. Okay, perfect. We have seated the entire tray. So now what I'm gonna do is I come in with my fingers and very lightly press on the seeds. So that's what you'll see me do here. Like I said, very lightly. Okay, perfect. Everything is pressed into the soil, so you can see now how the seeds are in the cell. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more seeding mix, and we'll be good. we're done sprinkling on a little bit more soil on top of the seeds, just so we get good seed to soil contact, and we're ready to label the tray if I wanted to. Sometimes I don't label the trays because once it sprouts, I'll recognize the seed that I planted, so that's always cool. Once you get into the habit of growing stuff, then you can recognize things more easily. But this is ready to be placed out in my seed area, and then I'll show you guys that, and I'm gonna water it down so that it has good moisture, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so it's very simple. I'll show you guys where I set it out, and then you'll see me water it real quick. Okay guys, so I set out the spinach here in my seed area. You can see I have a whole bunch of other seeds here and some of my plants, and I have a whole bunch more over there. So I don't have a greenhouse, so this is what I'm working with, and then literally I'll just give it a quick spray. Nothing crazy, and then while I'm at it, I'll do the rest of the seeds. But you can see I'm constantly growing a whole bunch of stuff. Boom, done. I labeled it as well, and it is ready. So that's about it, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching another of my videos. I hope that you are enjoying seeing me through my journey of becoming a farmer. This is by no means something that is like professionally made or anything, but I wanted you guys to see how easy it is to start your own seeds, your transplants, to grow your own food, and to give you a little bit of an idea of what I do. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.